Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change the photo from this one to become this one. As you can see on the left section will be the pose of the man in the kitchen with the stove and kitchen or the shelf background, and he would like to grab some fruit, I guess. And after using the special prompt, so the pose can be changed or can be transformed into this one. As you can see that this man is sitting on the bench and he was like or he would like to do the travel and he is waiting for in the airport like this. Or is this can be transformed into the airport travel pose. How to do that? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana, and don't worry because you can access it with your smartphone and also from the Gemini AI. And here I will access the Nano Banana via Google AI Studio, guys. And of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email if you would like to transform a picture or do the photo editing. And this is the look of the homepage of this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can start to upload the image from the gallery. For example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section like this, and don't worry because I will put this prompt into the description box, and also don't forget to try this prompt into your version. As you can see that this prompt will be like this, a realistic photo of a person here casually on an airport chair or airport bench with a large black suitcase. And if you'd like to modify the color, then it is very okay, guys. And the suitcase or the luggage is beside him. And the background is spacious modern airport terminal with a glass arch ceiling like this, and bright natural lighting and digital flight board behind them like this. This is the board or the screen, and also the people wait in the waiting area like this. And also the outfit, you can always do the modification, guys. For example, white t-shirt and the beige pants and also white sneakers, candid travel photography style, and cinematic Instagram aesthetic and high resolution. So you can use this prompt and you can do the modification. And after that, I will continue to click run here and kindly wait for the result. But don't worry because I have tried this prompt before and this is the result, guys. But let's say if you are not feel satisfied about this result, don't worry because you can always refine the result. For example, click rerun here and kindly wait for the next output. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this prompt into your Gemini AI or your favorite AI, and please let us know if this prompt also work for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.